Welcome to Zero Doubt Kitchen, where we're redefining the way you experience meal delivery. Imagine having a personal chef creating gourmet meals just for you every single week. At Zero Doubt Kitchen, we take pride in crafting culinary masterpieces from scratch, ensuring each dish is a celebration of flavor, nutrition, and quality. Our chefs work tirelessly to bring you a diverse menu that caters to every palate. Once our culinary creations are perfected, they're expertly packaged and delivered straight to your doorstep. We believe that you deserve more than just a meal. You deserve an experience. Now here's the best part. You're in control. Visit zerodoubtkitchen.com and explore a world of options. Whether you prefer a la carte selections, curated meal packs, or the ultimate convenience of a subscription service, the choice is yours. Picking your meals for the week has never been this simple. Just a few clicks, and you're on your way to enjoying chef-crafted restaurant-quality meals without the hassle of cooking. Picture this: your week's meals, effortlessly planned and delivered. All you have to do is savor the flavors. And here's something to sweeten the deal. If you're new to Zero Doubt Kitchen, enjoy an exclusive 50% off your first order. That's right, 50%. Ready to upgrade your dining experience? Head over to zerodoubtkitchen.com, choose your favorites, and at checkout, make sure to take advantage of our special offer, 50% off your first order. Because at Zero Doubt Kitchen, we believe in delivering not just meals, but an extraordinary culinary journey right to your door.